In previous video, we have seen the construction and working of optical pyrometer. If you haven't seen that video, then go through that video first. In this video, we are going to study radiation pyrometer, in which we are going to study construction, working, advantages, disadvantages and applications of it. The radiation pyrometer is also a non-contact type device, that is, it does not make contact with measurement for measurement of temperature. Let's start with the construction. The diagram shows the radiation pyrometer. It is also known as infrared pyrometer since it uses heat energy radiated from hot body to measure temperature, and as we know, heat radiation is nothing but an infrared radiation. Hence, radiation pyrometer is also known as infrared pyrometer. Okay, let's proceed towards the construction. It is a hot object or measurand which radiates heat. It is a lens which focuses the radiation emitted by hot body on mirror. It is a mirror which reflects the radiation towards the detector. The adjustable eyepiece is provided to adjust the mirror and assembly for complete reflection of radiations from the hot body. Detector is a heat sensor which senses heat in radiations and convert it into an electrical signal. Temperature display will provide the temperature indication based on electrical signal. Now we will start with the working. Let's say a hot object is placed in surrounding which can be close to measuring device or far away from measuring device and radiating the heat continuously. First of all, by using optical lens, we will concentrate the radiations emitted by hot object on the mirror. Then, by using the adjustable eyepiece, mirror will reflect the concentrated radiation on the detector. Then detector will senses the heat. And converts heat into electrical signal. Can be seen as temperature on temperature display with calibration. Let's move towards the advantages. As radiation pyrometer is a non-contact type, so it can be used to measure very high temperatures without direct contact. Also, it can measure temperature of small devices, that is the devices which have the diameter of 1/15 inch by adjusting the optical lens even if object kept far away from measuring device. Next, disadvantages. The surface of hot object should be clean, because if it is not clean, that is, if it has dirt or scale formation, then it does not allow hot object to radiate properly. Hence, temperature measurement is not accurate. Also, availability of optical material limits on the wavelength that can be measured. That is, as we know, the radiation can be visible rays, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays. Hence, optical material should be capable of all radiation, and such material which can use for all rays are less available. Now, I have one question for you, which you can answer in comment section. As we know, the detector will senses the heat and convert it into electrical signal, so it is a transducer. Hence, which transducer we can use as a detector?